Welcome to all of you to the Assam Voice Up channel. Today we will discuss some important general knowledge of Combined Defense Service 2015 years, which may be very important for our upcoming exams. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Our first question: which of the following state capital of Northeast India are connected by Indian Railways? Our first option Imphal, second option Agartala, third option Kohima, fourth option Aizawl. Our correct one is Agartala. Second question: which one of the following is not a part of service sector in India? Therefore option is available. First one is transportation, second construction, third hotels and restaurants, and fourth insurance. Our correct one is constructions. And our third question is: which of the following are members of BRICS? BRICS. There is four option is available. First one Bhutan, Russia, India, China and Sri Lanka. Second one Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Third Brazil, Russia, Indonesia, China and Singapore. And fourth option is D number Bangladesh, Republic of Korea, Indonesia, Canada and Sri Lanka. Guys, just guess which one will be the correct one. Our correct one is number B, Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. Our next question: which one of the following is a non-renewable energy? Non-renewable energy. Four option is available there: solar energy, coal, water, fisheries. The correct one is fifth question is: the Panchsheel agreement for peaceful coexistence was signed between number A, India and Bhutan, number B, India and Nepal, number C, India and China, number D, India and Pakistan. Our correct one C number, India and China. Our sixth question, number 6th. Rio plus 20 is the short name of which of the following options? Number A, Millennium Development Goals. B, United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development. Number C, Earth Summit. Number D, Post 2015 Development Agenda. Our correct one is United Nations Conference on Sustainable Development. Our seventh question: which one of the following is an example of a natural monopoly? Four option is available there: A, Indian Airlines, B, Delhi Jal Board, C, Delhi Transportation Corporation, D, Steel Authority of India. Our correct one is B, Delhi Jal Board. Our eighth question: what is meant by price discrimination? What is meant by price discrimination? Four option is available: A, increase in price of a commodity over time. B, a situation where the same product is sold to different customers for different prices. And C, subsidization of a product by the government to sell it at a lower price. And D, general decrease in price of a commodity over time. Our correct one is B, a situation where the same product is sold to different customer for different prices. Or question 9: what is meant by public good? Four option is available: A, a commodity produced by the government. B, a commodity whose benefits indivisibly spread among the entire community. C. A government scheme that benefits the poor households. And D. Any commodity that is very popular among general public. Our correct one is B. A commodity whose benefits indivisibly split among the entire community. Okay. Our 10th question means our last questions today. Who among the following is the author of autography entitled Amar Katha 1930? Amar Katha. It's very important day. Number A. Satyajit Ray. Number B. Rasundari Devi. Number C. Ganesh Chandra Ghosh. Number D. Binodani Dasai. Okay, our correct one is number D. Binodani Dasai. For today, this all of 10 questions which already came in CDS 2015 CDS 2. Okay. So thank you all of you for watching, and kindly do like, share and subscribe, and share with your friends who are preparing for your upcoming exams. So next we will come up with some new videos which all are on sports. Okay, चलो मिलते हैं in the next video. Thank you.